Here's the GoPro 12 Black. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. But first, you can also purchase separately a Max Lens Mod 2, as you can see here, and that's what I did. And actually this whole set, what I did was I bought this kit here from Amazon. I thought this was the best bang for the buck, because this doesn't come with that case that it came with previously, okay? So out of the box, it'll come in like this right here. Like I said, there's no case like previous GoPros. And this is what comes. You got the cable, some clamps, you got the new battery, not the blue one, and some pamphlets here. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open this up so we can insert the SD card as well as the battery. So go ahead and grab this, and then this side here, you have this lip right here. You want to use your fingernail, pry up, and then swing it back like this. Next, grab your SD card. I get a 64 gigger that came with mine, but the max actually is 1 TB, 1 terabyte. So let me take this out. Okay, so go ahead and grab your SD card. I don't need to use this adapter here. But first thing is open this up. We're going to go ahead and put it into a little SD card slot. Put it in there, it's spring loaded, so when you press down, it should snap into place. When you want to eject it, just press down, let it go, and then slide it out. Okay, let me put it back in here. Next, let's go ahead and grab this battery right here and put it in the correct way, and you will get better battery juice than the previous GoPro as well with this one here. And then once your battery's in, let's go ahead and turn it on. All right. Now the thing is, you may want to go ahead and charge it. It's up to you. You can charge it just with this, charge up your battery for maybe like 20 minutes before you do the setup, because you may not have enough juice to finish it, but I'm just going to go ahead and try it. I'm just going to go ahead and put the cable in there now. I don't need this one because I have another USB-C. Then from here, just go ahead and select your language. I'm going to go with English here. Legal stuff, terms and conditions. If you agree, tap on agree, or disagree, or you want more information, you can look at the website here. Okay, so for myself, I'm going to agree so I can proceed. Voice control, you can say yes, on or off, or you can turn it off and turn it on later, or vice versa. It doesn't matter. I'm going to go ahead and press mine on for now. Voice control language, it says English there. Yep, you want to change it, you can change it, but I'm good with English here. Now we have to go to our phone and install the GoPro Quick app. If you didn't download the app, go ahead and download the app now. Go to your, this is an iPhone here, but you can also download it on an Android. Go to your Play Store and just type in GoPro, and then this is what the app here looks like. It's called Quick, GoPro Quick. Okay, download, install it. And then once you did that, just go ahead and open it up. Okay, so from here, just go ahead and bottom right hand side, tap on GoPro right there. And then you can see I have my other GoPros. Here's Hero 11, 10, 9, and so forth. Okay, but anyway, what you want to do, top left hand side, that little plus with the GoPro camera, go ahead and tap on that. And I get this message here, Quick requires permission to access your network. To proceed, go to your iPhone setting, privacy, local network, find enable GoPro Quick. So let me go ahead and do that for myself. And I'm going to enable the GoPro Quick on mine. Okay, so let's see if that worked. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap on got it. And then we're going to do it again. Tap on that up there. Oh, I get another screen here, and it says, we found your GoPro. Let's get started. Connect your GoPro to your iPhone. So I'm going to tap on connect to camera right there. Pairing. Get a pairing request. I'm going to tap on pair. Oh, here's a little beep on there. It says camera paired. Name your GoPro. I'm fine with Hero 12 Black. I'll save that name right there. New name saved. Let's make sure you're getting all the latest features and improvements. You'll want to make sure you have 5 to 10 minutes to spare, okay, and access to the internet. All right, so we're going to go ahead and proceed. We're going to continue here. We get a join Wi-Fi network. I'm going to tap on join right there. Okay, that took like 10 seconds and it finally went through. Here's that camera update that we need. You can go ahead and read through this and then tap on continue. Go ahead and read through the legal disclaimer. If you agree to it, tap on accept and continue. So now it's updating. You can see the status bar right there. Be sure to leave your camera. Be sure to leave your camera on and don't leave the app. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. So let's be patient here now. You also get a status bar on the GoPro itself. It says downloading update there now. Now it's installing update. Now the icon has changed on the GoPro. Now it just still says updating though. Just heard a beep beep on the GoPro. Just beeped again. It says update is complete. It took me about 5 minutes to download and install the update, and I'm over slow Wi-Fi as well, just FYI. So we're complete here. It's up to date. Has all the latest features and improvements. We'll tap on continue. Connect to cloud. You can do that now or do it later, or just say I'll do it later and never do it. It's up to you. Your Hero 12 is ready. Let's go. And voila, there we go. We are in business. And there we go. We're ready to rock and roll here. See you on the next one.